Hello, this is Jordan, and today I'm introducing to you the Summerset Sizzler Pro 32-inch grill. The Sizzler Pro series combines features, quality commercial-grade stainless steel construction, and affordability. With its sleek design and double-lined hood, exterior LEDs, infrared back burner with optional rotisserie kit available, interior lighting, warming rack, 8mm cooking grates, a briquette system that not only distributes heat evenly, but protects your burners from grease flare-ups and is extremely easy to clean. 14,000 BTU cast burners, and heat zone separators. The Sizzler Pro come in 32 and 40-inch models. All Summerset grills come built in, as shown, or on a cart model. This grill really sets itself apart, and the best part is, it's budget friendly. Pick one up at a dealer near you.